You remember I once mentioned that I didn't used to like palak, but for some reason I used to like this red wali saag. Maybe it was because of the color, and all that you need is palak, garlic, green chili, and that's it. तेल में आपको डालना है ग्रीन चिली एंड गार्लिक और उसे आपको टॉस कर लेना है और उसमें आप डाल दो अपने लाल वाली साग. सौटे इट रियली वेल. वंस हाफ डन इसमें आप डाल दो हल्दी एंड नमक and let it reduce, and that's it. Your quick, easy and super delicious lal saag is ready. And for more such quick, easy and super delicious recipes, don't forget to follow Bihar to Bangalore.